Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sue Lifestyle. If you're new here, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the thing. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you hear my voice, me sick. Me still sick. Me not recover fully yet from this dirty flu. I don't even want to talk about it because I just a recover. Anyways, today is Saturday, and I don't know if it's after the after flu effect. My body just feel low and feel out of it. I don't know what's going on with me, but we move because you don't know, say me a mother and things have to still go on, and I'm still have to try push through. Do you know what I mean? Still have to try push through. So the plan for today is Saturday. So plan for today is it's cleaning day for me. I try clean up because the way I did sick people, I never really clean, I never really do anything much. Oh, good is go gym. Anyways, so let me show you. I have people is it's winter. I'm sorry, the place is dark as hell. Probably should have turned on the light. And no, this light not giving. This I like the light in here. Anyways, so I'm gonna put that on Avery. I wash her hair. Our hair is a mess. So this is an outfit that I got from, let me get this from again, Tesco. So cute, so loungewear, you know, very soft. So I'm gonna put this on her today, and I'm about to wash her hair, and you know, because even she was sick as well, people. She was really sick, so I'm gonna try get us back into the groove of things. If you can see, me look pale, me look sick, but just a recover. Anyways, let's get into today's video and get this as something I wanted now. Oh my god. So guys, this is the shampoo I'm going to be using to wash your hair with. That one, and also the deep conditioner. This is it that I'm going to be using. And the girl are crying already and her hair don't start. She's already crying. I'm gonna start washing her hair. So this is her hair, guys. It is growing so much. So guys, we finished washing her hair. The drama, but me kind of figure out how if it kind of makes you not cry. You know when we look up in our parents used to give we the face cloth to cover the face cloth, the washcloth to cover our face. Me try that with her and it worked. So may I have to continue to do that with her. Anyways, let me show you how I do know. Hold on. May I show you what I use on her skin. This Vaseline on her face. Everywhere's the lotion. No, I'm showing you the outfit. So you don't know, this is what I use on her skin. The Nyla's lotion. I also use the body butter, but I use the body butter. No. Yes, I use the lotion. Come, mama. Come. And I put the amins powder underneath the arm. Put down that for me, please. Yeah. Obviously, I'm not going to show no her because, you know, she don't have no clothes. Put your phone. I say she don't easy, you know.
My skirt and mommy pretty.
Put this on. Put your hands in. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get this out. This is our outfit.
Papa and mom. On the blanket.
You want your blanket? Go get your blanket.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do? You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do? Now it's me and you.
I'm going to be shaving my face. I'm just going to do a quick little maintenance, clean up my face a bit because I have little, those little side hair. Although I don't really like it because anytime I do, I get a little pimple them for a few days, but whenever I do it, my skin just glows differently. And this is how it looks, the little shaving thing for your face. I got this from Boots. Can't remember how much my sis pay for it. So it's a Dermaplaning tool. So the first thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to be cleansing my face with this. Okay. I'm going to cleanse my face with this first, and then after, I see on TikTok someone use aloe vera, so I have some aloe vera to soothe the face while I shave it. So I'm going to put this is cold, it in my fridge. So let me cleanse my face. I'm going to use this Cetaphil cleanse my face, and then I'm just going to quickly shave it. My hands are already clean. And someone probably could have just did with this cleanser because it's very slippery. Just a clean quick to get off any dirt. Hopefully it works because it's not as slimy because it was in the fridge. I don't know. Let's see. It still feels slimy. And it's cooling as well. So I'm just going to, ooh, they sharpen up. Ooh, I could hear it. Look at that. Wow. don't know if you could see that, guys. Alright. So I'm gonna focus.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here.
Just to soothe it. You know? Hopefully I don't get no pimples. I've never done it with this before. So this is how my face is looking. And I'm gonna choke this. Yeah. That's it, guys. I'm just gonna leave this on my face for a little bit and then I'm just gonna wash it off. But yeah, that's just how I remove the peach fuzz hair off my face. Okay. So this is my face, guys. And when you dermaplan, it makes your face look much brighter. It allows products to seep into the skin much better as well. And if you wear makeup, it makes your makeup look much flawless on the skin, you know. But yeah, this is how it looks. I feel like I'm still gonna get little pimples after, but for me it's just for a few days and then it will go away. But let's see if the aloe vera makes any difference. I doubt it, but I just love how my face look after I just do a dermaplan. Like, it just look bright, you know. Love it. So I'm going to moisturize now. I'm going to put my Mario Badescu spray on it and then just moisturize. Love it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this. Yeah. And let that just set in the face for a bit. And then I'm going to use this to moisturize, and also I'm going to put on some sunscreen on my face. Okay, and that's all I'm doing. Oh, I feel a bit stingy. It's thingy. Just give you such a brighter look, honestly. Some sunscreen. And that's my morning skincare. Let's rub it in. I'm going to shower after this and just call it a day. Oh, feels so, like my skin feels so smooth. So smooth. I just love it. Okay. Hey guys, so I said I forgot to show you guys what I got for my birthday gift from my sister and from my partner. I did not open none of them. Well, I pull this one, so I know what in there, and I haven't opened this one. I think I did, but me not say a perfume in there, and I choose the perfume. But I'm going to open it for you guys to see. Okay, so this girl. So let's open it. Can you imagine I have it since? Okay, is it open? I have it since December and I did not open it. And we're in January now.
Whoa!
What perfume do you think this is, guys? Which one do you think this is? It's the Valentino.
Valentino?
Yes, Valentino. Can you put it in the bin, please?
Oh, that's Valentino.
Yes, Valentino.
Yeah, and it is in my house.
Yes. So this is the Valentino Coral Fancy. Valentino Donna Coral Fancy. I don't know the notes in there. All I know it smells good. Okay. Ooh, listen, Jesus.
Mommy,
Listen,
what? I good.
smells good, right?
I open.
Yeah, let's open. Okay.
What is that?
Wait, hold on. Listen, I can't do nothing.
Oh no, Valentino.
Valentino. Oh. I don't know if this is the new one. I can't remember.
Valentino.
But this
Perfume.
smells perfume. Yes, baby.
Valentino perfume.
Valentino perfume. Let's see the inside of the box. Is there anything on there?
No, I'm empty.
Good. Yeah.
Good.
I love Valentino. What you call this? The bottle. Oh my god, I love it.
Valentino.
Love it. It has a sweet, I don't know, a boss smell. Like, you know, you're that girl.
Yeah.
It got, excuse me, it has the smell of,
Mommy, it's
I'm that city girl. I own my house. I drive a nice car. You know, that is how it smells. Oh, this smells so good, Jesus. Who love perfume, Makami? Jesus, God, man.
Every five.
Okay.
No. And then only say.
She was in a spray, but I. Okay, come.
Ready? Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
What is that?
Yes, but this I would say it would be, I would think I would wear this at nighttime. Yeah, I would say it's a nighttime scent. Like you're going out in the evening, you know, with your friends, or even for a brunch. I think you could wear this on a brunch date as well. I think it probably can wear for both brunch date, date night, you know, with the boo, with the girls, going to the club. Listen, this smells amazing. I don't know the notes in there. I'll put it up on the screen when I'm editing, but love this. I think I heard good reviews about this one. Valentino, love this. Love this. Another one, and it is from Sephora. Sephora, and this is from my sister. And this is the Keali. Am I pronouncing it right? Keali, yes. The perfume. Thank you, sis. Thank you. And my sister, and this is my baby sister, okay? Like, yeah, she's younger than me. You know, can you imagine your sister buying you gifts, like your baby sister? Like, yes, girl, my sister a boss babe, okay? Okay. And she asked me what I wanted for my birthday, and I'm like, girl, perfume. And she bought it for me. So yeah, so ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, and this is it. Ooh. So cute. I love the bottle. This is my first Kelly. Love the bottle.
I don't know my thing.
And
Want to smell?
you want to smell too?
Good.
It smells good, right?
Yeah, I can play.
This is, says vanilla.
Yeah, I do know.
Let's see.
I know.
The keynotes are vanilla and orchid. Yes, that's the keynotes in this one. Vanilla and orchid. And I'm a vanilla babe. Like, me love vanilla.
I don't know.
Everything. It smells good. Whew.
I didn't smell this.
Oh, girl. Yes. You can't smell. Catch me up. Like so you can't smell it. Oh, this, yeah. This smells good and you can't smell it. The vanilla in there, definitely. Me can spot a vanilla from afar, okay? Vanilla. Oh, girl, I am in love. Too nice perfume I get to know. Big up to me. Ooh. I love what are you doing? This, I would say, you say dark, I don't know, dark perfume give me nighttime. So I think this I would wear evening. Yeah. Yeah, I can see this at evening. A nice evening wear. Going to the movie, going out for dinner, going to the bar for a little drinky drink with your friends or with the men. You know, with the hubby. Yeah. I think this, definitely evening when I wear this. Definitely. Love this. It smells good. It smells really good. I love it. No, it's not for that, baby. So yeah, guys, so these are the two perfume I got, and they're both the 100 ml because baby, I'm a 100 ml type of girl, okay? And this will last me a long time, okay? So if you know, I love perfume. Like, that's one of the things anybody can give me, like a perfume. Love it. So two new perfume to my collection. Girl feel nice. Yes. Girl feel good. Okay, thank you. Alright. Give me a can go into the bin. So guys, I'm going to tidy up next and do some ironing. I don't know what I cook today. Like yesterday I cooked rice and peas and some stewed chicken. Still have rice and peas left over, but I don't have no meat kind. Just have chicken, and I think I have fish. I don't know what I want, but we'll see. You know, that's a part of adulting, you know, I'm not like, every day I forget about thinking about where you go feed the picnic then. And sometimes I'm tired of everything. Honestly, comment down below if you feel the same as an adult. I forget up every day and I think about what to cook, what to eat. But then again, I still have to give God thanks because, and I like I say, oh, we don't have food. We have food, but we just don't know what to cook. Stop biting your tongue. Of course, you would figure it out. I think it's the other way. This way.
No.
Oh, and guys, this is the pajama set that was in the pack. See, she has it on. Anyways, and I haven't ate all. Are you talking to the guys? You have to speak up loud so they can hear you. Okay. All right. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Oh, ciao.